In this pandemic, the whole world is having tough time to deal with the situation. The only and the most important precautionary measure we can take is to ensure self-hygiene, social distancing and boost our immunity. So in this video, we are going to discuss about immunity. Every human body has the capacity to resist all types of microorganisms and their products that tend to damage our tissues or organs. This state of resistance exhibited by the host is known as immunity. It is the collective efforts of cells, tissues, and various molecules of our immune system to identify and defend against infectious diseases. In the picture, you can see the organs of our immune system. Let's see factors influencing the level of immunity in host. Health. Healthy person are less susceptible to infections, whereas person with any kind of deficiency like deficiency of vitamins, zinc or folic acid are more susceptible to infectious diseases. Age. Very old or very young are more prone to infectious diseases. Hormones play a vital role. Hormonal imbalance leads to disorders. For example, diabetes mellitus, hypothyroidism, adrenal dysfunction are all endocrine disorder resulted due to hormonal imbalance. Persons suffering from any kind of above mentioned disorder are more susceptible to infections. Nutrition. In malnourished patient, the level of immune response is very low. So always have nutrient-rich healthy diet to maintain strong immunity. Immunity can be innate or adaptive. Innate immunity is the inherited resistance possessed by an individual by virtue of his genetic and constitutional makeup against infection. That is, by birth, our body possesses resistance power to fight against infections. Whereas, acquired or adaptive immunity means resistance acquired against infection by an individual during his course of life. That is, the immunity gets stimulated or induced in response to foreign substances entering our body to cause harm. In coming session, we will discuss about innate immunity and adaptive immunity in detail. For more videos and live classes, visit our website www.homeschool.co.in. Thanks for watching.